Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming designers who foster programming and innovation arrangements worldwide. It makes a worldwide market for figuring power, and the processing assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and non-concurrent task execution. Adaptable apparatuses assist the designers with making and circulate, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This multitude of administrations are accessible for an expense nearly not as much as contenders. The Golem biological system intends to give programming advancement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the eventual fate of web blockchain, accessible and available for everybody. Highlights of Golem. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits distributed networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is described by availability, open access, control, safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless biological system is an aid for programming engineers. SDK assists with holding their innovativeness and featureability to the world. The figuring power can be considered as the two foundations as a help and programming as a help. The installment frameworks are effectively open, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they declared the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client utilization administration. The organization has presented Thork, the principal mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more significant level local area commitment. Golem directs a prize administration program regularly, which guarantees fabricating a colossal client base for the stage. GNT to GLM movement. Golem organization token GNT is moved into GLM. GNT was the previous badge of the Golem organization, which has begun to move into GLM toward the finish of 2020. GLM is an ERC20 token. Its critical exchange costs have applied the expense of movement exchanges in Ethereum on the grounds that Golem's new exchange network is developed in Ethereum Layer 2. In any case, this movement cycle is going on. The explanation for the relocation is that the coin sent off in 2016 ERC20 token was very little well known. ERC20 is currently openly available in Layer 2, DeFi, and decentralized trades. Expanded acknowledgement, usability, and adaptability of ERC20 have caused Golem to move into another coin. There are chiefly three choices for movement. First is relocating with the web use of Golem called MetaMask. The second is relocation from the Golem application on the off chance that you have an extra Ethereum account. The third is bringing in Golem keys to MetaMask. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a flowing inventory of 1 billion GLM. Presently, the greater part of the computerized coins are exchanging red and level after a huge meeting. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half year and 3% pessimism last week. Despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the record-breaking high of GLM on Golem cost forecast, it ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are profoundly demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has gigantic development potential. Specialized examination of Golem. The Golem cost today is around 39 cents. And it confronted a slight remedy with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The most extreme cost as of now is enlisted at 43 cents, and the base cost is 39 cents. The unequaled exorbitant cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0, which was in 2016. Verifiable information in the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month diagram from 2018 to 2022, Golem cost has on a round-based development executing little worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upswing which wound up at a cost of 78 cents from 76 cents low. Then, at that point, after a cost remedy on Golem tokens took support at 50 cents with a Morningstar development. However, the upturn couldn't be maintained, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last scarcely any exchanging meeting. Investigating the opposition and backing levels on the everyday outline, the following obstruction level is 49 cents. On the off chance that GLM cost can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the obstruction level at 60 cents. The prompt help level is 34 cents. And the significant help level is 27 cents. Dread and insatiability file is 45. Significant specialized pointers for momentary cost expectations on the everyday outline information. Relative strength record is 35.13. MACD line is beneath the sign line. The cost of Golem is under 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA. In light of specialized examination and GLM cost expectation, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem cryptographic money is tolerably negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give a legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and merchants can hold on to affirm the pattern over the obstruction level prior to making a momentary speculation. In view of the close-term Golem gauge, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame in the event that no news or cryptographic money market bullishness is upheld. Golem value forecasts 2022 to 2026. Golem cost expectations for the future show that a productive venture gives a decent revisitation of the long haul. Estimates for quite some time show Golem GLM be valued at 77 cents, which is multiple times productive than its ongoing worth. According to specialists' figures, put resources into plunge and hang tight at changes in costs. The cost-volume pattern of the drawn-out cost graph from 2018 to 2021 appears to be fascinating. Note the critical cost change on the graph. The cost-to-volume marker is profoundly unstable, which demonstrates sometime the coin has been controlled, and cost and volume have errors in conduct. Presently, regardless of whether the cost is attempting to push high, the volume has not expanded much contrasted with past exchanging segments. The explanation for such a contention is the high unpredictability of the crypto market, which varies and for each and every adjustment of the economy. Throughout the time span, digital forms of money are supposed to be exceptionally demandable since they abrogate the worries, exchange time, and charge of government-issued types of money. Golem value expectation 2022. Golem figure information for 2022 is tolerably bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents. Golem merit money management to contact a limit of 56 cents. In view of the drawn-out conjectures, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Merchants can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire critical benefits from their venture. Golem crypto value forecast 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53 cents separately. GLM value expectation 2024. Interest in any monetary road generally expects the worth of the organization will increment in the long haul. Likewise, dealers and financial backers can expect a cost ascend later on cost of Golem. In 2024, Golem could exchange with a typical cost of 61 cents and is supposed to outperform 72 cents around the same time according to our conjecture. Golem coin value forecast 2025. Golem devotees are bullish on the Golem gauge for 2025. Golem cost dominates the most extreme degree of 88 cents. The base cost and normal cost could reach 69 cents and 78 cents separately. Crypto is known as the fate of monetary standards. The whole crypto market is anticipated to be bullish for the